Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Kunzi trying his best to impress Kapsile. He, he come on work carrying the gift to give Kapsile. And it seems like Kapsile, he like the new Kunzi. But Kunzi, he do this after Mamlambo warned him about treating unwell Kapsile. Flames advise Kapsile to follow her heart when comes to Nkunzi and Tambisi, that she also skating on thin ice. And it seems like Kapsile is confused by Nkunzi and Mtambisi, while Mtambisi give, give her the happiness. KFC is the day of picking Noah and Eva. And it seems like the church is going well to pick their lovers of their life. While Nosipo, it seems like what she don't want to go with Sambolo on the scan. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.